probably the easiest way for you to see is for you to track the clicks on the links or the adverts that lead people to your landing page. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's take an easy example. So the emails I send to you guys in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you will notice that all of the links in those emails, they don't look like normal links. They look a little bit like gobbledygook, and that is because I am tracking every single link click that happens from those emails. So I track that, and I do something called lead scoring, and all sorts of techie stuff happens on the back end. But essentially, I track at the point of the click who's clicking on links, and therefore I can see who will end up on my landing page, because anybody that clicks on a link will end up on a landing page. Here's another example. So this is an advert I just set up this morning, actually. 3 hours ago I set this up, and you can see already that I've had 24 people click my link. It's been shown to 465 people based on my impressions, and it's cost me $1.75 in total. And let me show you the advert. So this, me and my lovely wife are looking for a new babysitter, and so I'm running an advert here to find a new babysitter. So that's my advert for here in Portugal, to find a new babysitter. And so anybody that clicks on that learn more will instantly be recorded as a click, and I know that they will end up on my landing page. So that's another way to do that. All right, so, but let's go a little bit further. Let's suppose that Hitten doesn't want to do that. So instead, what you do in Facebook ads, Hitten, is make sure that you've highlighted everything. Let's just make it out. So make sure you've highlighted everything, and then you want to come over to this area here where it says columns, and you want to customize your columns. So I use custom columns all the time, and as you can see, you can choose loads and loads of different things for Facebook to show you in your columns, and one of those many things is unique views upon your landing page. So landing page views, for instance, which you just go to from photo views, I can see landing page views. There it is. So landing page views is one of the things I can track within that. So just apply that, and then this will then appear in here. Landing page views now shows I've had 28 unique people look at my landing page. Pretty simple to do. So it's as simple as that, Hitten. Very cool thing to ask me though, mate, and I love how you're thinking about it. Second thing that I want to add to that as well is I use two different tracking methods for links. Number one is I use Bitly. So I use Bitly just to put in my main link here and then shorten it there. So for instance, you can see that I just set up some campaigns, and I set up my source tracking. You can see it says source equals FB2. That's an advert we're running on Facebook just to track. And FB1 is another advert, so I'm just comparing A/B testing adverts. So that's one. The other one is, so I use Bitly. I also use goo.gul. Goo.gul. So goo.gl, and that's Google's own URL shortener. I use that too, depending on the application. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue,
who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.